Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna do this irregular kitchen cabinet or irregular kitchen cabinet. So first you must draw something like this lah on the wall. Okay, now we just drag out cabinet only. So the first one is dispenser water. Never mind that one. I'll just build cabinet here first, or we just drag the cabinet from here first. This one delete. Okay, remember every time you use customize, go to Rome. Okay, go to Rome, then go inside. Okay, this one here. So we're gonna drag the cabinet from here to here. Okay, then you just drag this one again or put here. Okay, this time we make here longer a bit. Okay, maybe this one I put 700. Okay, 700. And we drag another cabinet also put here, or another cabinet put here. Never mind, put on the wall first, put on the wall first. This one delete, drag to the wall. Okay, then you press the button Z, press the button Z. Okay, we can arrange it. Okay, so you just merge it, move the cabinet to here first. Never mind, then move out. Okay. Okay, so after it merged already, then you just drag another cabinet in here. So you can see now we have something like this, something like this. Okay, follow back the picture here. Let me see the picture. Okay, so we just put one sink, then we cover the tabletop lah. Okay, so this one put one sink, right click, sink installation, put one sink here. Simply choose one, choose the tab. Okay, after that just create tabletop. Okay, you can just select 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then click on this one, countertop free drawing, or countertop free drawing countertop. Okay, then you can draw any pattern you want. So first we draw the pattern first. Click on here. Okay, draw the pattern for the countertop. Draw it back. Okay, then after that you can choose the pattern you want. I'll choose the normal one, page 3, the normal one. This one, choose tabletop, simple lah, just leave it. Okay, okay, then click choose generate. Ta-da! So you get the table like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.